What's going on, guys? I'm Brandon.
I'm Hayes.
And we're TMG Pits.
Hey, we're out here the 2023 Big Kahuna Wing Festival. Hey, last year, 22, we took the championship home with us. We're back this year defending it.
And we're here to have a good time. We got the TMG Pits 330 fired up there, and we're going to show you guys how we're going to try to defend our championship today. Let's do it.
TMG's the best!
Okay, so you were one of the first ones through the line early this morning, and now you're back. Okay, so you went through, right now you have our, let's see, which one is that? Exotic. Okay, what do you think about it?
First, I had to figure out how to pronounce it. Umami, is that correct?
That's correct.
I like it. It's got a little bit of different flavor than I was expecting. You know, I'm a buffalo guy,
Yeah.
Traditional, smoked. I really do like this one. Can I tell you my favorite of your five?
What's the favorite of our five?
I didn't know what to expect from chicken and waffles, but I really like that one. It's got a different, distinct kind of flavor, and your buffalo ones. Well, and your Alabama white sauce. All right, I'm out of here.
Okay, he just said all. No, so the chicken and waffles too, right now, maybe my favorite also. Alabama white sauce is always a fan favorite. The chicken and waffles is just a little different. It actually has waffles on it. We ground up waffles, put on top of it. You know, it's got the apple taste in it also, so it's a very sweet wing, which is kind of different from buffalo. Great wing. Now, you walked around everyone else. I mean, are we going to even compete? Are we close? What's going on?
All right. Can I be honest? Yes,
Yeah,
I can be honest.
yeah, you can be honest.
All right, I've been around. These by far, for a couple different reasons. I like the flavors. You got a unique flavors in all of them. I like not only that are they smoky, but they have some crisp to it and they're hot. I've been around here a little bit. Sometimes they're kind of chewy,
Yeah.
you know, a little on the cold side. Like
Yeah.
if you're going to give me a chicken wing, I want a hot chicken wing. I don't know how you're getting them out of the pits and in here and keeping them hot,
Okay,
but there's a trick to that, I'm sure.
That's what I was thinking to tell you. So we do something a little different. We smoke them first, and then we fry them. So it gives them that crispy taste. Now, when I put this out, of course, all our competitors next year will come back and try it all the same. But that's why we literally, if you look right back here,
They're still hot.
yeah, well, he's pulling them out of the fryer, we're flipping them, and we're putting them straight up. They're not sitting here for 4 hours.
Right.
So that's the reason why it probably tastes a little bit different.
So good, so good. I mean, there's a lot out here to choose from, right? You gotta go around, you get like 30 different buffaloes, right? Some of them are way too saucy, like they drown them in sauce, but I think yours are just the right mix.
Awesome. Love to hear it. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
This is a birria sauce, which is from the state of Jalisco, so it's a traditional adobo sauce from Mexico. So the base is going to be tomatoes and dried chilies, and the spice is going to be chile de árbol. And we did this wing because of the popularity of the birria taco. I know a lot of people have seen with the consommé, where they dip the taco in the broth. So this is just a take on that, and we put it on a wing sauce this year.
Okay, guys, so we're a little bit backstage now, okay? Got a friend here from Fountain City, and I've been telling him for a few weeks about our sweet category, which is our play of chicken and waffles, okay? And it's an apple butter, when we actually ground up waffles, put on top of it. You just bit into it. But what did you say?
They're awesome. It's great.
I think you said they're better than what you thought.
Better than what I expected,
Okay.
yeah.
So that's the chicken and waffles. That's the sweet category. Okay, now I know for sure, because it kind of get a little mixed up on your plate, this one right here is our creative spicy, okay? And it is
hot.
It is hot. It's like a taco. Our friends at Monterey Mexican Restaurant made the sauce for us. He's in our barbecue team, and it's supposed to really resemble the taco.
Yeah, those are great. They're hot and have a little Santa Fe taste
Yeah.
to them, a little south.
And I'm pretty sure, I'm trying to see, because they got mixed up here.
Those are great. You get a little cilantro or something.
Yeah,
on them.
there's cilantro, there's fresh cilantro on them. Yep. And one of these next ones can be buffalo. I'm not sure which one. I didn't make this plate. It was handed to me.
This one looks
That
like
one
a
looks
good
like, no, that's, okay, I see what this one is. This one right here is going to be the, our Asian wing.
Asian,
Yep,
all right.
it's an exotic wing. We're going fast. We should have given a little water to drink in between, but
No water needed. They're juicy. They're good. They're not dry. They're excellent. That's good.
and then one of these two are going to be buffalo, and I won't know what the other one is. It's hard to tell on these two. Could be buffalo.
That's buffalo.
The buffalo.
Great, excellent.
So what we did was
Best
smoked
wing
them.
in town.
Hey, listen, well, we hope so. Hey, that was live straight. Hey, I pushed your part on that one. Sorry about that. You had to go fast. He didn't know he was going to be on camera either. Surprise.